Missing moonlight, still on sunrise, still high rate of speed, no pedestrians, no traffic. 7-Eleven left on Vice, still continuing.
Left on Vice.
7-Eleven, he took Old NA, he's going back towards 35. South on 35.
Southbound 35.
At this point, Zach was estimated to be traveling nearly 100 miles per hour in a posted 55-mile-per-hour zone.
And I got all black clothing, black helmet, white and black Kawasaki. On the queue, stoplights, queue and main. Left on Sunset.
7-Eleven, you were covered. Go again.
Speed and stoplights, failure to stop at stop signs. 7-Eleven will be out on D now. Traffic is light, no pedestrians. Speed's about 90. Come on, go, 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 go.
Coincidentally, roughly a mile ahead was a La Crosse County Sheriff's deputy who was on scene with an unrelated call involving a vehicle accident. As Zach approached the unrelated incident, he likely assumed it was another officer waiting to deploy spike strips. In response, he decided to stop and submit to his fate.
118. They're chasing them right by me, and they're going right by the accident scene. I will not be getting in this pursuit.
7-Eleven, I believe we stopped.
Stop it, Johnson.
Show me your hands.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
118 at gunpoint, at gunpoint.
Watch your crossfire, watch your crossfire.
Get on the ground!
You guys got him?
Yep.
Got him?
Yep.
Got him?
Hands. What the f are you doing? You stupid dumbass. 713 in custody. You got any weapons on you? That was stupid. That was dumb. What the hell is wrong with you? No.
118 bike plate for that pursuit.
There's a knife in my right pocket.
We're right at Johnson Cooley.
Now you caught a felony. Worth it?
No.
No.
What's your name?
My ID's in my wallet.
I'll come back to him.
Just confirming, was that you that called out with him at gunpoint, or was that home?
10-4. They rolled right up onto my accident scene. We had them at gunpoint there.
Let's get him in front here, squad. All right. Once again, you got anything on you that's gonna poke me?
Yeah.
Let's get him under cuffs. Let's take his backpack off so we don't have to cut it.
How you pronounce your first name, bud?
Zacchaeus.
Zacchaeus.
You hurt? Hurt? You were looking at traffic tickets. That was a warning for speed turned into something way more.
What's that? I heard them coming all the way up. I didn't think they'd make it out here. Well, I told him I wasn't going to get involved with it, and then he stopped behind me, so...
Top your head, okay?
What's that? He took off on a traffic stop out in Holman. I'll get her paperwork in 1 second. Holy crap. What the hell just happened?
To a different vehicle?
My car.
To your car?
Do you guys want Paul's to take a bike then too? Is he up here then?
I don't know why he decided to stop.
Back here. Take a seat. You alright?
Want to grab a bike too then?
Yeah, I could.
Okay, so before you get to the jail, you're going to be run through the body scanner before you get booked in. Get anything that is on your person or in your person that you don't want to bring into the jail, it's another felony if you do. Give me a chance to speak about it now.
Like, what would be?
Do you have anything in your person or on your person that I did not find that they're going to see in the body scanner that I normally would not have found?
So you found my
Weapons,
keys?
drugs, paraphernalia, anything.
Oh no, no weapons, no drugs, no. Is that you by BP?
Yeah, I was coming on BP because I heard he went down Sunset, so I was gonna go up to Gorder just in case he went straight. What was that?
You had to slow down and turn.
Is it a Kawasaki? Oh, it looks like a Honda. No, it is a Kawasaki. I thought that's what I saw.
So he saw the Reds of Lose here and just stopped, huh?
He came up on this accident and he must have hit the brakes because he didn't want to go any further. But I mean, he was going over 100 most of the time.
You called that.
I thought he would have stopped way sooner than that. All I had was the unreasonable and prudent on a home and drive, and then all the stop sign violations, which is probably about 12.
Paul's gonna try to get the bike on his flatbed. He say what the reason was.
I don't know. I called him a moron enough times, so let's throw this in there.
Alright, sorry about that.
We were like, oh, look at that,
they were-
cops are coming, and then we were like,
Yeah,
get on the ground, we're like, okay, maybe that's not.
they were chasing him out of home, and I just didn't think they'd make it out this far.
Well, you didn't have to go that far to pick this one out.
Well, he came up, just happened to be an accident right here that 118 was working, and I don't know if he just finally gave up because he just stopped, and I pulled up right alongside him, and then he complied and got off, and we arrested him.
Alrighty. Sorry about that.
Yeah, England was looking at giving him speeding warning.
Is he coming out, or you want me to wait, or what? Switchblade?
Okay,
It goes. I just tried it. It'll shoot out.
Yeah. Right place for this accident. Right
Well,
now.
I was like, I'm not going to get involved. And then he stopped. I was like, okay.
I wonder if he just saw.
I think he thought I was
Saw
going
squad.
strips out or something.
Yeah, he probably didn't know. Obviously, didn't know about the accident, but he saw you. He's probably like,
I popped out, and at first I thought you were going to go by him. I'm like, am I pointing my gun at the wrong person here, or what's going on? I think it was this one that when he pulled up, it was just billowing smoke.
Yeah, it's the brakes. The brake pads.
Yeah,
Probably. You could smell it.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm sure he thought I was putting out strips or something. He's like, yeah, screw that.
could be.
Yeah, he's gonna grab the bike here too.
Oh, Paul is?
Yeah.
He can fit it on there?
Yeah. Perfect. He'll just push it right up to the front. And I told him, I said, you didn't have to go far for it.
Double pay for him.
Unbelievable.
Keep my mouth shut.
Unbelievable.
I grabbed my gun and I ran out in my flip flops. I was mopping the thing, and
I think Paul said he was going to take the bike, right?
He didn't, so he doesn't have a motorcycle license? Is that why you're in?
I was just going to get him for unreasonable and prudent on home and drive. I was sitting there talking to Terry, and he bowls by.
Well, I got you double pay. Oh no, they got mutual aid. I ain't dealing with that. I was surprised he stopped behind me.
I couldn't believe that either. I figured he'd come racing by, and I thought I'd throw something out there.
Well, I came on the radio. I was like, yeah, I'm not getting involved in this pursuit. And he stopped. I'm like, never mind. One, I got a point.
He was hauling the mail blowing by cars, so I lit him up and through Sunrise, NA all the way back to 53 and back through town. So I think,
Yeah, if he doesn't have a... He just pulls over right here.
I'll take it, whatever works.
As far as he went, Jesus.
might have thought that 118 had spikes because he's pulled.
Thanks for faking spikes.
Yeah, it worked.
I was just coming over the radio saying I wasn't going to get involved. Then he decided he had to stop behind me. So.
Would you do, say, with any kind of pedestrians out, recklessly endangering?
I
would.
would have gone past 608. They look pretty busy.
Well, he blew by through residential neighborhoods doing 70, 80 plus.
Yeah, I would. Get him
What was the
for
reason he ran? Did he say anything?
He didn't say anything to me. He said something about it being stupid, but
Yeah.
I called him a moron enough times.
I can help you if you want.
Well, you gotta take him down, don't you?
England is.
Okay.
That's my squad. How heavy is this thing? Can we just push it?
Oh,
Home, so I quick came down in, and then also went out D, so I quick took her shit by bluff view, was going out T.
Yeah.
Well, the funniest part was I was listening to the sirens on my radio, and I opened my window. I was like, God, those sound really close. I saw you guys cresting it.
All right, I'm gonna take him down. 10-4. I'll be en route to the jail with him.
Little thing, size like 400.
It must be because it didn't get much distance between us.
Wow.
You probably could have got away if you went down those side streets.
Yeah. Well, windshield, huh? Nice little bike though. Dispatch called my personal phone, which I didn't think they had. So I was mopping, I was waiting for the floor to dry, and then I quick grabbed my flip flops, grabbed my gun, went and jumped in the car.
Well, I don't have the number you called me at. I was like, Pullman. I'm like, I'll answer it. Is this gonna fit between there?
I think I can get it.
What's gonna happen to my bike?
It's being towed to Paul's Towing, which I'd assume since you're probably not gonna have a license after this, you have to get somebody else to come grab it for you.
Your narrative has been updated.
Thank you much, sir.